Hi, Shayla WTI, and I want to show you why this Ordinary serum is extraordinary to me. The Ordinary makes this amazing hyaluronic acid serum, and I am in love with it. It feels incredible. I absolutely love the texture of it. You can see it's just like a light, nice, airy serum. It's not gooey and heavy, but it is very moisturizing. So I love putting this on my face when it's nice and clean before I put anything else on. I do use a heavier moisturizer, but this, in addition to that, is so great because I have extremely dry skin. And like I said, not sticky, so you can see it just soaks into my hands and it feels incredible. It's going to give you a nice foundation to whatever you're putting on your face that day. So daytime or nighttime use, this is actually really great for your face. It is going to have all your hyaluronic acid, your niacinamides, your zinc, your topical vitamins, but it is alcohol-free, oil-free, silicone-free, so just overall wonderful to improve that tone and texture of your face. I love having this extra boost of moisture under my heavier moisturizers. It's a great foundation before your makeup, and I am absolutely loving the texture that it's giving my skin and just the glow, and overall it's a wonderful product. Like I said, extraordinary. I love it, and that's my point of view.